You said the same thing, but everyone reacted completely differently. Some got angry. Some laughed. Some ignored it entirely. And here's the part most people miss. Why does the exact same event trigger such opposite reactions? Notice this: people don't see reality like you do. Every word, every glance, every thought, filtered through their past. Childhood wounds. Old fears. Personal rules. They decide what matters and what doesn't. And it's not about you. One person will remember every word, another only their feelings. That feeling, that emotional reaction, is stronger than the facts themselves. Emotions distort reality. Identity amplifies it. Calm people downplay tension. Fearful people explode over small triggers. And yet, it's rarely conscious. Most reactions happen before thought even catches up. Add social context. Where they are. Who they're with. Who holds power. Suddenly, the same joke, same comment, same moment carries 1,000 hidden pressures. People overreact when threatened. Underreact when safe. Stay silent when judged. You can never predict responses perfectly. And here's the unsettling truth: you can say the same thing every day, and get different reactions every single time. Patterns exist, but they're buried beneath past experience, emotional triggers, and social hierarchy. Watch closely: who reacts to comfort? Who reacts to challenge? Who reacts only when their identity is involved? Silence. Laughter. Anger. Withdrawal. Every reaction tells you more about the observer than the event itself. Who explodes? Who smiles politely? Who stays quiet? It's never random. Every interaction is a lesson in human behavior. The same event never exists twice. And once you see this, you start noticing patterns others will never understand. The moment you realize reactions reveal more about them than you, you stop expecting consistency. And you start seeing the truth behind every interaction, silently, without anyone noticing. Subscribe to Human Pulse now, and press the bell icon. Never miss how people really think and act.